Whipped Up Cookinz, baby. Florida edition. Let's go. It's a nice, sunny, beautiful day today, and we're going to be getting that Ninja wood fire out and putting this bad boy to work. It is a beast, but this is what we are going to be using for our lemon pepper chicken. Let's get in the kitchen and get things going. All right, everybody, to get things going, I've got some chicken wings as well as some boneless chicken thighs that I'm going to be prepping. We're doing lemon pepper grill chicken this afternoon, and everything I need is right here in front of me. Got some lemon pepper seasoning, of course. Got some lemon juice, fresh lemon. Also going to dice down an onion, a little bit of garlic. Go get everything prepped up. I'll catch you in just a second. Alright, what we're going to do is get the chicken washed up nice and fine. Now, with our chicken nice and washed up, let's go ahead and slice us up some lemons. And we're going to add us some lemon juice. You want to get enough just to cover the bottom of the pan. Couple lemons. We're going to toss in some of our diced up onions. And a nice little bed there. And we're going to hit that bed with a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning salt. Next up, we'll get our chicken sat in the pan here, like so. And we'll get ready to season it. So we're going to top that chicken off with some seasoning again. We'll hit it nice and liberally. All right, we'll give the chicken a flip and we'll hit it one more time. We're gonna top it with that remainder chopped onion. And we're gonna also hit it with our garlic a little bit. All right, we'll get this set to the side. And we will now take this out to the wood fire grill. And our wood fire has been waiting patiently, so we can go ahead and get this chicken added on. We're gonna set this chicken at 45 minutes on nice and low, and we'll come back and check on it. All right, at the 45 minutes of going low and slow, see what we got here. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's get it off here. Next up, we're gonna set this baby to grill, going on high. With our grill preheated again on high, going back in for the final cook. All right, everybody, at the end of this thing, we are ready to plate up. We've got our hot, nice, juicy lemon pepper chicken ready to go. We've also got some field peas and butter beans, along with some potato salad. So nothing else left to do but to plate this beauty. Hey, and there you go, guys. nice, tender, juicy, succulent lemon pepper chicken off the grill. We got some field peas and butter beans on the side, along with some potato salad. Hey, Florida style, baby. Another whipped up one for ya. And I'ma see you all next time.